Hello and welcome to Starting Out with Reading Lists. This video will demonstrate how you log into our reading list software Tallis and you initially create your reading list. You can access the reading list software either on the UE Library web pages or at this address. Once you reach the reading list homepage, select Login and on the top of the screen. You'll then need to sign in using your UE email address and password, and if you haven't used this software before, you'll be prompted to create an account. Please ensure that your profile is set to public, otherwise students won't be able to see the list you publish. Once you're logged in, your name will appear where the login option was, and you can now search for any reading lists using the search box. Or you can select My Lists, where you can view and edit any list you've already been assigned, or can create a new list from scratch. Pre-existing lists will appear with your most recent list at the top, and if you wish to create a new reading list, then simply select Create New List. From this new screen, you can add the details of your list. The title of your list should be your module code, and then the module name. This makes it clear for both students and staff which module this reading list is for. If you're creating a reading list for partner students, please put the partner name or code in square brackets at the end of the list name, so it is clear to our library staff that the items on this list need to be accessible to partner students. Next, there is a description field, which is visible to list editors, library staff, and students once your list is published. The internal note field is the same, however will not be visible to students. The next and one of the most important steps in creating your reading list is to select the hierarchy of your list. This will link your reading list to your subject program and module. Simply use the search bar to find the appropriate module to be associated to your reading list. You can then add the appropriate student numbers who will be participating in this module. It's important to get this number as accurate as possible, as this will help to inform any purchasing decisions which may need to be made. Both this and the hierarchy can be edited at a later time, which we will demonstrate later in the video. Finally, you can select the appropriate academic year which your list is related to, and then simply select Save. You have now created your draft reading list. This won't yet be visible to students until you publish your list. From here, you can add resources for your students, which will be demonstrated in a separate video. If you need to edit any information about your list, then simply select the Edit drop-down menu on the right-hand side. Let's first look at the Assign List Owner option. From here, you can assign new list owners or edit existing ones. You will need to assign yourself to the list, which you can do by clicking in the search bar and then select Assign to Me. Alternatively, you can search for someone else's name and then select them from the drop-down. You can then either simply save your selection, or you can select Save with List Publisher Role, and then those individuals will be able to edit and publish your reading list. To remove a list owner, simply go back to the Edit drop-down, select Assign List Owner, and then select the red icon next to the individual you wish to remove, before selecting Save. If you need to edit the hierarchy or student numbers of this list, then go back into the Edit drop-down menu and click Hierarchy and Student Numbers. You can now use the search bar at the top to search for any other modules you wish to attach your reading list to. And then you can also amend the student numbers manually by changing the number in the box. When you're finished, simply click Save. When you're happy with your reading list and you want it to be visible to students, ensure you click Publish, as this will make the list visible for your students. It will also send your reading list to review so the library staff can check the availability of any resources you've added to your list. Once your list is published, you can still make any changes or add and remove resources. Simply select Publish again when you're done so that your changes are visible.